here, Velian. Time for another Saturday review. This time it's gonna be an unboxing video on this device. The HUAWEI Watch GT 2. Alright, this is the 46mm version, guys. Again, nobody sent this to me. It's not a sponsored video. I just had to buy this with my own bloody money that I earned. 175 euro I think I paid for the watch. 350 leva, which is still a nice price for this device. I think it arrives around 300 something leva from China, but the price about 175 euro should be a nice price for what this device should be. So the HUAWEI Watch GT 2, guys. I'm gonna be unboxing this right now together with you. We're gonna be talking some specs here, and I'm gonna need to wear it for some days so that I'm able to do a full comparison review between the HUAWEI Watch GT and his main competitor, this best ever created smartwatch, which is the Amazfit BIP. Okay, that was meant to be a joke, guys, but currently you might have already seen in my videos that I'm wearing the Amazfit BIP watch. And I can tell you, I don't use this baby as a smartwatch too much. I just use three basic functions, just the watch functionality, the alarm with vibration to get me on from my bed in the morning, and also the step counter. But last time it did last me 72 days battery life. 5 to 72 days, guys, so it's absolutely insane. And alright, it's clear that those devices really are from a different class, so I need to say goodbye to my old and dearest friend, the Amazfit BIP watch, and I need to welcome my new watch, HUAWEI Watch GT 2, and I decided to go with this one. So this watch here, guys, is a 46mm watch. It does come with a stainless steel frame, ceramic black. It has all the nice features you would get, like 5 ATM water, so you can swim with it. It also can recognize your swim stroke, so it does support, I think, 15 different sports workouts, and one of them, of course, is swimming. I think compared to the previous Watch GT1, they added 2 new workouts, which is, I think, rowing and something else was it, I cannot remember right now. It has a very nice display, almost 1.4 inch OLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454, which kind of equals to 326 pixels per inch. Again, 42mm. It's a very nice, actually, display here. The 42mm has a 1.2 inch display. This is the bigger version, the bigger brother, 46mm. It does run on the HUAWEI proprietary so-called HUAWEI LiDARs, which is really meant to run on smart wearable devices. And actually, it also does run on the latest Kirin A1 chip, which they claim it's the chip to go forward with the main smart wearables from HUAWEI, and to get you through a nice battery life of 14 days, guys. This is what they claim here. The battery inside this beautiful watch is 455 mAh, so they say, HUAWEI say, with the Kirin A1 chip and all the power efficiency, you're gonna get through 14 days of typical use. Yes, we're gonna see how this will behave. Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, I think only for the Chinese version, no eSIM, no Wi-Fi. But this watch has some amazing features, guys, like you can actually speak from your watch when you're close to your phone, even up to 150 meters proximity. So it has a speaker, guys, and a microphone, so you can be taking calls from your watch. Also, what I like pretty much, it has 32 megabytes of RAM memory, which is not so much, but it's also not so bad. And it does have 4 gigabytes of ROM. I think the smaller version has only 16 megabytes of RAM, so this is definitely the version to go. And you can put music on this baby, connect your headphones and listen to that music, but also listen to that music directly from the watch. It's also something I want to test in the full review, guys. Design wise, it should be nice watch, you can see here, but I think without any further ado, let's get to work here. Okay, I promise to be very gentle with this. You see, there is no joke here. Now this watch is forever mine, because I did have okay, wow. All right, let's see what we have inside, guys. Wow. I can tell you, the unboxing experience with this, compared, let's say, to my old friend Amazfit, yeah, it's even not comparable too much. This one looks, yeah, I think more like on the cheap side. This one looks pretty aesthetic, and I would say also, yeah, it does look not cheap, I would say, expensive. So we have to pull here, okay. Let's open here. It's a brand new watch, guys, you see, never opened by somebody. So here I suspect that we have the USB-C cable, because it does come with a magnetic charging base, and I think that this is actually the charging base, guys. So apparently this is all made of plastic, but it's magnetic, so you have to put the watch there and it's gonna stick, and then you're gonna charge it, and this is at least what I've seen. Let's see here. Also, it does come with these nice books here. All right, Jesus Christ, Hebrew? All right, no, HUAWEI warranty card. Okay, so hopefully it has a warranty. I hope so. Has some nice manuals here inside, but let's just pull the watch together. And I think, guys, this is pretty much it as to what the unboxing experience goes. This is inside it. You just have your cable, your charging base, and then you have your watch itself. And yeah, what can I tell you, guys? I think this watch looks really amazing. Let me try to switch it for the first time. Now, it has two buttons, guys. I've been told that this button here, the first button, is really to switch the watch on, and the second button is actually supposed to be a button that you can, or you should be able to map. Okay, so I'm holding it. Yes, HUAWEI, wow. And I can tell you how it vibrated in my hand. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think we have to do the first setup, but the display is really amazing, guys, from what we see here. So let's see if we tap on it. That didn't work. Okay, let's go for English. Download HUAWEI Health on your phone, then add this device. Okay, guys, I will be cutting off the video right now, as this is meant to be just an unboxing experience. And actually, before me doing that, goodbye, my old friend. You have served me very well, and I can tell you, guys, this is probably the best thing you can get for 50 bucks. Okay, if you need battery life, this is it, right? This is the Amazfit, not the light one. Amazfit BIP, not the light one. It does have the GPS and everything you might need. So goodbye, my old friend Amazfit BIP, and welcome my new friend HUAWEI Watch GT2. Okay, I'm gonna be switching the... I'm a little bit afraid it's gonna be like a little bit too big for my wrist. Oh Jesus, it's definitely heavy than than this sucker here. But okay, they're really from a different class, guys. So let's see if I put it like this. Okay, I'm gonna be doing now the setup. So guys, it does sit quite nice in the hand. It's a little bit heavier, of course, than the Amazfit BIP, but design-wise, I really dig it. It does have kind of like this premium feeling, and of course you can also see here that all the straps are interchangeable. Here you have all the sensors, the rate monitor. Now this watch is really packed with a lot of features. You know, it can monitor your stress, it can monitor your sleep, it can really do a lot of the things that most of the smart watches can do. Now of course the matter is, you know, how good they're done by the HUAWEI GT2, but again, I need to wear it for some days, guys, and then I'll be able to give a better feedback. Now it is made in China. In these hard times for China, guys, I just want to express my strong support for all my Chinese friends out there. You know, coronavirus, you know what I mean? So please, guys, stay strong. You're gonna get over that. And with that said, guys, I will end my unboxing video here, guys, as I need to set up the HUAWEI GT Watch T on my OnePlus 7 Pro phone, guys. Now, some pro tips. I don't have, or I don't own a HUAWEI phone, so I've been told that I need to download HUAWEI mobile services to get this thing to work with my phone. So let's see how this will work. And I promise, guys, in probably 1 or 2 weeks, after I really had the chance to fully test this beast, I will come with a full review about all that this watch can deliver, and of course the way it does deliver it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for supporting me on my channel. I want to wish you to have a nice day ahead of you guys, and stay strong. This is over, and bye.